Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue puppies, then you're in the right place. So today we're continuing with our Christmas in July videos. So today we're making candy. Not really, but kinda. So I have a really fun project to make some really cute faux candy decor for your home to use in your Christmas tree or around your house. The candy pieces that we're making today are inspired from Whiskey and Whit. I will link her channel in the description box below so you can go check her out. And the second project we're going to do today is going to be a cute little faux snow globe that I think is absolutely adorable, and it's super easy. And that project is inspired from Chic On The Cheap. I'll link her channel in the description box below as well. And always, I will list a supplies list in the description box with everything you're going to need to make today's projects. I hope you enjoy them. If you do, please give this girl a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and it's completely free. And what also is free? Subscribing. Come on, guys. Come on. I know you like me. I know you're watching. Come subscribe. Help me out. I'm only 25 subscribers away from 400, and then I could do my big 400 subscriber giveaway. So please let me know down below what project you like the most and if you're going to try one out. I appreciate you guys watching, and without further ado, let's get started. For this first project, you'll need some red and white striped wrapping paper. This I actually got from the Dollar Tree. You will need one of these floral foam discs from the Dollar Tree, or you can also use a toilet paper roll. You'll need some ribbon. This is just red ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a glue stick, a pencil, some scissors, and maybe a ruler. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to lay out my paper, and I'm going to take my foam piece, and I am going to trace out two circles. Because I'm going to want one for each side of my peppermint. And then I'm going to cut them out. Alright, so you're going to have two pieces of round wrapping paper. You're just going to take your round wrapping paper and you're going to go ahead and cover it with glue. Or you could actually just put glue directly onto the foam piece, whichever you find easier for you to do. I'm going to make sure you get it nice and covered with glue. And then you're going to attach your striped piece to your foam. And then that way you have a two-sided piece of peppermint. And then I also forgot to mention, you will need either a roll of the vellum from the Dollar Tree, or if you can't find that, you can also use these basket bags because they're plastic too. Whatever you can find for yourself. So I'm going to take my basket bag here and my foam piece, and I want to cut out, essentially I want to wrap it in some plastic to make like a plastic wrapping. So you want to make sure to leave some space on the edges to bundle it up. So I'm just going to cut the bag, which apparently is easier said than done. So it actually gives me another edge here at the seam, so I'm going to cut that as well. So I apologize for the crinkling. So I'm going to cut the edge here off, and then I'm going to cut the seam. And if you have vellum, the roll of vellum, this would be a lot easier to do. Again, I apologize for the crinkling of the wrapping. So in my last Christmas video, I asked you guys what your favorite Christmas movie was. Miracle on 34th Street seems to be very popular. I love it. So this video, I want to ask you guys, what is your favorite Christmas song? Mine, hands down, White Christmas by Bing Crosby. I love Bing Crosby. I just think that is super cool. I love the 40s era. I think the whole thing is just my jam. So tell me, what's your favorite? All right, so we're just going to wrap this up and give it a few wraps here. And then I'm going to cut the excess. Well, theoretically, I'm going to cut the excess if I can find my scissors. There it is. Oh, and you'll also need, you can either glue it or tape, whatever you want to do for the back side. I forgot to grab my tape, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue down. But tape would definitely be a lot easier to use. So, recommend getting some tape if you have some, just some clear tape. So I'm just going to put a little dab of glue there for now. I'm going to tuck this under. And then I'm going to wrap it up like that. And then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to cut some ribbon. And then what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to take it on the edge here and we're going to wrap it with our ribbon to make it look like an actual piece of candy. I'm going to bunch it up and then wrap it up. Again, I apologize for the crinkling, but y'all know if you have candy wrapper is going to crinkle. It's going to be a crinkle candy wrapper. All right, and then you'll just cut off the excess that you don't need, because you don't need it super long. And there you go. There is your piece of candy. How flippin' cool is that? And if you can't find the craft foam to make it, no worries, I got you covered. You can use a toilet paper roll. You're essentially just going to take the toilet paper roll and you're going to want to cut your wrapping paper to fit over the toilet paper roll here. So I'm just going to kind of see about how wide it is. It is about 1, 2, 3, 4 squares wide. So I'm going to use this trusted dotted line here to cut the paper out. And then I'm going to cut, make sure I'm just cutting the edge here of my dots. And then, trusty glue stick. I'm going to coat my toilet paper roll with glue. And then I'm going to lay the wrapping paper on it and then kind of work it around, putting some more glue as I go. There we go. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. Like that. And then you can use this as your small piece of candy. and wrap it with some of that vellum paper and ribbon as well. I also wanted to mention, if you don't like seeing the brown on the sides, you can always actually cut the wrapping paper longer and tuck the wrapping paper into the inside so it looks more like a finished piece of candy. All right, for our second project today, you're going to need one of these little terrariums, planters from the Dollar Tree. You'll need a pack of mini trees of your choice. You'll need some either faux snow, or if you can't find that, you can also use the little faux snow that's like the balls here. You'll need a ribbon of your choice to hang it by, some scissors to cut your ribbon, and trusty glue gun. So this one is going to be so easy, guys, you're not even going to stand it. So I'm just cutting this off of here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my ribbon on first because I don't want to just jar around everything that's inside. So you're just going to cut your ribbon to whatever length that you want. And then tie a knot at the top, like so. And then on the inside, what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our trees here. I'm going to make sure, see if these little ones fit. They do. So I'm going to glue a couple of trees down in to the terrarium. So I'm actually going to put some glue on the tree. I'm going to try to put some glue on the tree. I think it's time to get some more glue in my glue gun here. It's time for some more glue in my glue gun, y'all. Oh my goodness. All right, hold on. I will come back when I got glue coming out. All right, I finally got some glue out. So I'm going to glue my little tree in there. And then I'm going to get another little tree. Oh, look, there's different sizes. Oh, y'all, that is so cool. So I'm going to get one of these shorter trees. Get some glue on the bottom. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's the struggle bus with the glue today. There we go. It's the struggle bus with the glue today. And then I'm going to put one more tree in there. Because I don't know if you guys remember when I met Lee Snyders from Design on a Dime from HGTV. He said to do things in odd numbers. Because in nature, most things happen in odd numbers. So I'm going to put my third little tree in there. So I got my little trees. And then I'm going to take my faux snow. Watch out, it's kind of messy. Might move my trees a little bit around if I can. They're kind of squished in there. You can also, what would be really cute is maybe put like a tree and like one of those little red trucks or something in there. Oh my goodness, guys, that would be adorable. And then I'm just going to put some snow in there. Maybe even sprinkle some snow onto the trees so it's like a snow fallen tree. And then, voila! Look at that, you guys. It's a little terrarium with little trees and snow. How cute is that? Can you stand it? Oh my goodness. Oh, I just love it. All right, now I gotta find a little red truck because I gotta do one with a tree and a truck. What do you guys think? Tree and a truck? Just trees? Let me know.